We're at Tropical Hideaway. The line was actually a little bit shorter than normal. What have we been waiting about 10 minutes?
Yeah.
We're 10 minutes and we're almost to the front to order our, well, maybe. There's probably like 10 people in front of us. But earlier today it was ridiculous. Well, there's, because it goes this way.
Yeah, there's more than 10.
More than 10?
There's probably about 20 people in front of us.
About 20 people? Alright. Well, we'll be back with our Dole Whip. It's so pretty here. Well, earlier I had my dad. Rare fox. It's a lot faster than earlier. That one got me the wettest. Oh, that drop? Yeah, that one got me the wettest. I don't know why. Oh, I want a potato. Oh, look at that view. That's a really cool view of Space Mountain and the Columbia. You got a whole new phone. I got it. That's good.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Shit, that drop right there?
How fun. That's so cool. I love it. Oh, I love that. I see bear butt. That's a bear butt. Bear butt up there.
Let go of me! Turn me loose here!
You must
be where the fox is.
funny. Don't go in. Never good when you see a
We'll show
monster.
you a laughing place.
Oh yeah.
Time to be turning around. If only you could. Just where you going?
What? That wasn't too bad. No?
No?
That was the drop, right? Not really.
Yeah, that was a drop. Her bag got completely soaked.
Is there any more drops?
My bag is red. Thank God it wasn't this bag. In line for the Haunted Mansion. The time has not changed from a 55-minute wait since around 2 o'clock this afternoon, and it is now a little past 7. So yeah, we're gonna test this out. I said we're gonna test out the wait time.
Yeah.
Because it hasn't moved from 55 minutes, but it's a lot shorter, looks a lot shorter than it has earlier in the day. So We've got our timers on. No, we got in line at 7:16.
7:16.
7:16. So we're gonna see where it ends up. Sounds over here. Sorry, horsey.
Is this accepting Ghost Relations Department?
Accepted. Reservations accepted. Ghost Relations Department. We have the pet cemetery. Rosie, the pig, she was a poor little pig, but she bought the farm. Aww. A cat. Every type of moss or plant has some significance to the animal that the tombstone's referring to. So over by the rabbit, there's like, looks like collard greens or something that they like to eat. Maybe kale. I don't know. Oh, it's carrots. Carrots by the rabbit. There's Fifi the poodle. Here lies my snake, whose fatal mistake was frightening the gardener who carried a rake. Old flybait. See the lily pads? Stripey. Skunk. Your essence will always linger on. That must be some kind of stinky stuff. You are gone. See you later.
I truly departed.
I truly departed. The steam engine's making all sorts of noise back there. I'll be back. Empty tomb. Rust in peace. Oh, that's awful. See, the social distancing here is crazy. This is the most spaced out line we've been to. We are almost to the entrance and it's 7:47? 7:50. So that was a 34-minute wait, even though the posted time said 50. So that's good. There we go. My favorite ride. I'm not gonna film the whole ride. I'm just gonna do this part and then I'm gonna enjoy the ride. Yeah.
When hinges creak in doors change, and strange and frightening sounds echo through the halls, whenever candlelights flicker, where the air is deathly still, that's the time when ghosts are present, practicing their terror with ghoulish delight.
First two groups, please come forward. Take number 1, take number 4.
Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now. Our tour begins here in this gallery, where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state.
And now please direct your attention toward the center of the room, standing away from the wall. Please keep face coverings on all times inside the building.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way.
big thing, right? Like when mom.
Screen's out.
It's about 20 minutes.
Alright, one last ride of the night. Story, Snow White's. What's it called? What's the new name of this? Snow White and the Enchanted something? Snow White and the Enchanted Storybook. I don't know what the name of it is.
Shut up, so this is all ready to go. Cups.
Boy, somebody needs to clean Snow White's house. It's dusty.
Be sure to arrive safely. Stay in your seat. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And oh yes, watch those precious children of yours. On your way now. Escuchen, para que tengan un viaje seguro. On your way now. Escuchen, para que tengan un viaje
These dwarfs can't hide Snow White from me.
Doesn't he look like, I think that's Brenda. Like all the changes of Snow White. That was really, really good.
Dumbo.
It really brightened it up. Do you want to see what Dumbo? We've got 8 minutes till the park closes, and we're gonna try to get one more ride in. Hopefully, Dumbo, because my husband wants to ride Dumbo. So we're going over there now. Alright, we're in Dumbo. Last ride of the night. Look at the Matterhorn in the background. Pretty cool.
We get some good areas of dancing. Oh, we're the first time.
Here we go.
Whoa, we're going up. Up.
Okay, don't do that. Don't do that. No, you're bouncing it.
We're going up. We're going up.
You're bouncing it.
We're going up.
Oh my gosh. Ah.
You can see the cows over there. Oh, the Matterhorn. Oh, look at they're doing the light show on that. Oh, shooting over there.
That's really cool with the Dumbos behind me.
Oh, you can't go down.
Oh. Are we? Okay, don't mess with it. Now you're making me nervous. Like it doesn't work.
Stop.
You screwed it up. That's why. Woo!
There we go.
Don't do that.
Hey, now we're getting back up.
Stop doing that.
Look at it.
Okay, so don't do that.
Look at that.
They saw.
One big
Alright,
lobster
stop.
raw. Here it comes. We're coming down. We'll take everybody up high. And everybody comes down.
Oh, I'm a little dizzy now.
Thank you for joining us,
Oh,
everybody.
boy.
Now to the nearest police exit.
Oh, this is right there.
And that's how you do Disney. 2 40-something-year-olds. The grown kids got tired. The 22-year-old went back to the room midday. The others went for a rest. And they're probably already back at the hotel.
Went back.
And us old people, we're here from open to close. That's how you do it. Bye, Disneyland. Until next time. Hopefully in a few months. Bum, 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 bum. Let's get a good shot of Main Street at night. Alright. So another Disneyland trip in the books. We did quite a bit. We did all the big rides.
Yeah, we did them all. Except for Matterhorn.
Except for Matterhorn, which is closed, and Jungle Cruise, which is closed. But we did everything else. The wait times were pretty accurate. Sometimes they were less, which is always good. What is this song that's bugging me? I know it's song. Can't think of where it's from.
There, right there.
No. Night train station. Night City Hall. Good night, Disneyland.